Hi everyone. Today we are going to dive into creating a process flow diagram using MS Visio. I will walk you through the steps to design a simple order processing system including key stages like order receipts, verifications, payment processing, packaging and shipping. We will cover how to use basic shapes like ovals for start and end points, rectangles for process steps, and diamonds for decision points, helping you visualize each step of the order flow. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding how to build and organize a sequential process flow in Visio, making it easier to map out any business process. So let's start it. When you start video, you have this kind of window. So from here you have different templates that you can select from. There are more templates as well, but we need a basic flow chart, so we will select this one. Just hit the create button. Now this way window will appear. You have a shape span and you have this canvas. So from the shape pans we will get the shapes. To just get the right shapes, you click on more shapes, go to the flowchart and just check this basic flowchart shapes. This will bring all the shapes that are necessary to draw a basic flowchart. So we will start with having a oval shape which represents our start and end point. So our process start with when our order is received. Just label it. So just zoom it. If you go to this hover on this shape, you will have these arrow appear on all side of it. This is very useful feature that Visio has. If you go to you just go above that arrow, you will have these options to select and shape and uh, grow this process. So we will select we will add a process. We will add a rectangular shape that will represent a process. So next process we will have, in this case we will have to verify order. Then there are other processes will come. Similarly, we will add some like inventory check, and next step would be like payment process. So here comes another process that is like decision. For decision we use this diamond shape, as you can see from here, also represents a decision. So if yes or no decision, so in case of no, it will go above from the start, and in case of yes we will move to the next step. So what is the decision? If payment is verified. Okay, if payment is verified, then we will go to the next step, and you can write if it is yes, then order packed, and this will eventually end the process by order dispatched. Okay, in case of no, you can select a connector by you by selecting this connector from here, and just in case of no, go and okay, you can select this line and just write no, so it will tell. So this is a basic diagram, flowchart diagram, and we can name it as order processing system flowchart. So before that, just click this pointer tool and select this all this one, just drag it somewhere in the middle of the page, and you can label it by selecting inserting a text box above. You can go to there and just make text bigger and make it bold to have clear visibility. So there are other options that, like, you can go to the design and you can choose the themes, as there are a lot of themes and there are a lot of colors. So just I'm getting this one. This is the theme that I have selected. If you go to the presentation mode, you see this is a simple flow chart showing the order processing system. Okay, I hope this video will help you creating business processes.